everybody! This is Amelia from the Ellenville Public Library, and this is today's craft with me. Happy Flag Day! So for today's craft with me, I'm going to show you how to make origami stars. These are a really big hit. So what you're going to need is a piece of white paper and a pair of scissors. That is it. So first you're going to want to make some strips of white paper. About this thick. And cut the strips out. Okay, so what you're going to do next is take your paper and fold it like you would a ribbon. So just so you see what I did there again, you take it and you curl it back down and then to the side. So it's like this. Then you're going to take the end and gently push it up through and then this little excess you're just going to want to kind of tuck behind. So now you're going to take this strip and fold it over so that the bottom is straight like this and just wrap it. See how each time you wrap it kind of looks the same? For this last bit, you are going to tuck it under. And then for the very, very, very last part, you're just going to gently pinch and there we have a star. Now, the thinner your strip is, the more sturdy your star will be. So I'm going to do this again. But this time our strip is going to be a lot thinner. But also, the thinner your strip of paper is, the more the thinner your strip is, the harder it can be to get this quite right. And this step can take a lot of practice, honestly. It looks kind of easy, but I understand if you have some trouble with it at first. Okay, so now remember, you want to wrap it behind and then over. I'm not going to turn it this time, just so you can see the way that it naturally goes. So. And then the last bit, tuck under. Okay, this should be a much better star. Okay, and there we have another star. It's significantly smaller, but these cute little 5-pointed stars, the big ones tend to be a little bit more flimsy and they don't look quite as nice. The little ones tend to be cheery and little, and there you have an origami star. You can put little notes in these if you want to, but I thought that they would be a really fun way to celebrate our nation's flag. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me with this craft. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and be good to each other. I'll see you next time. Bye!